Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So, as you probably saw, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. We have to begin with opening the settings, and here let's scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down again and go to the auto screen off option. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option that to use. I'll pick 5 minutes. For some reason, we have to verify that. So let me use my finger. And as you can see here, we've got it notified, and it means that from now on, this device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.